Hello, my name is Rich Annem Sidel, and as a dedicated union leader, my vision is to build a fair and equitable workplace where every employee's voice is heard, respected, and valued. And for advocacy for employees' rights, I am committed to advocating for workers' rights, ensuring safe working conditions, fair wages, and access to essential benefits. I believe in the power of collective bargaining to secure better contracts and protect against unfair treatment. My goal is create an environment where transparency and open communication thrive, empowering employees to stand together and drive position change. And vision for the future together, we can foster a workplace culture rooted in dignity, justice, and opportunity for all. I am here to listen, to act, and to champion your rights every step of the way. And I thank you.